Ever wondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize your life? Well, wonder no more. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the world of AI, where we'll explore 3 insightful tips to help you navigate the 5-day AI challenge. And for those who stick around till the end, there's a special surprise waiting for you. Our initial stride into this thrilling universe revolves around grasping the fundamentals. Comprehending what AI embodies is vital. Understanding how AI operates, it's a mix of computer science, data scrutiny, and intricate algorithms is key. Don't forget, a robust foundation paves the way for a sturdy structure. Now, on to the second step, harnessing the power of AI. It's not just about knowing, it's about applying. AI has vast applications, from predictive analytics in business to diagnosing diseases in healthcare. Find your niche. Where does your interest lie? How can AI boost your efficiency in that area? These are the questions to ponder upon. The third and final step, staying updated. AI is a rapidly evolving field. New advancements and breakthroughs are happening every day. Make it a point to keep abreast with the latest trends and developments. Read, research, and repeat. Now for the part you've all been waiting for. How about a chance to sell custom AI software that small business owners are eager to buy? And guess what? You get to keep 100% of the profits. Not only that, but we will also help you land your first customers for free. Well, it's been a pleasure sharing these tips on how to navigate the 5-day AI challenge. If you found this information helpful, show some love. Share it, like it, and if you're ready to take the plunge into the world of AI, click the link below to enroll now. The world of AI awaits you.